Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change the app icon on your Coingecko application using your smartphone. First of all, open the Coingecko app on your Android or iOS, and then make sure that you are logged into your account, and from the home page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Inside Profile, tap on App icon at the top under Helpful Tools. You'll then come across several different core icons, exclusive icons, and limited time icons. Go ahead and select the one you'd like to change to, and you'll successfully change the Coingecko application icon in your app drawer. So that is how it's super easily done. You'll notice that your Coingecko app icon has been changed to your preference. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And also, don't forget to press the notification bell icon so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.